What's up everyone, my name is Anis and today I'm back here with another video. In today's video we shall be looking at how you can use CPANEL. Yes, how you can use CPANEL for those who want to learn how to host a website. So this could be a great tutorial for you to learn over. So without wasting any time, I'll start the video, and in case you're seeing this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and also leaving a comment, liking, sharing. That would be a good way to go. So you see, so cPanel helps someone or a developer to host their platform or to host their website easily. So if you don't know how to do that and you've been using localhost, because most times when we're developing most things, we use localhost. You can use XAMPP server, yeah, or WAMP or any other servers. But so the other way, how do you actually make a website go online? Which tools do you have to use? What do you have to know? So in this tutorial I'll cover that, so don't hesitate watching this video until the end. So for example, you get a good hosting platform now like this one. I won't say the name because it's not a partnered sponsorship or advertisement, so I'll just pick one site. These are some of the working sites right now which are online, so I'll check this out. So you can see that here they can give me this panel of having email accounts, forwarders, autoresponders, file manager, backup, MySQL database, PHP admin. So this can help you to create email. MySQL database helps you to make up database in PHP admin, but basically for just making the database names. So the complete solution is PHP admin. You can even make subdomains, add-on domains, cron jobs. If you don't know what cron jobs are, you can go ahead to search about that. But yeah, so I'll go straight to my file manager. File manager is where you actually put the sites that are run on the internet, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, it has these folders. They come with it, www, but the main folder of emphasis is this public HTML. You can see that public HTML is quite heavier than the others. So this public HTML can be used for putting your platforms that are going straight to the internet. Yeah, so I can be able to check my public HTML. Here you can see your mail folders. So I'll go straight to public HTML. You can see that all these ones when you visit. So when you host something here, you make sure what you're hosting wants to be the main file to be run on the internet. You name it as index file. So whatever it is, whatever extension it is, if it's index.html, index.php, that's what you give it in that way, exactly that way. So that's how this cPanel works under the file manager. So you make sure the same way your things appear here in XAMPP folder, that's how you actually come here and make it. So I'll go to my XAMPP folder, which is htdocs. Htdocs, you can find it here. This is my local disk. Go to XAMPP, then this is htdocs. This is the public folder where I put all my systems, my tutorials, my examples, my projects. So the same way, yeah, that's how it works here. But here you have to make sure you are actually renaming whatever you're naming as the index file. Yeah, so even if you have any other folders, say this back end, you give it an index file, right? So the server will run that index by default because it knows it's the index directory that has to be run. So how to upload, you can click on upload. So you can go straight to your files here and you choose what you have to upload, and you actually drag it here to your browser to be uploaded. So every change you make goes straight to the server and gets to run. So this is just one section, and it's the file manager of the server. So you can create new files, can add new folders. Yes, you can download, you can copy, you can move items. So the same way you manage things under the htdocs folder is actually the same way you are going to be doing it. So if I go to the main homepage of cPanel, yes, for now this is what the cPanel looks like. Yeah, this is the interface. For purposes of learning, I just want to share this to you. So I guess it will be a good way for you. If you like this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up if it's actually helpful for you. So this is the latest design of CPANEL, and this is what it looks like on a live server. So you can see under the image section, I can get all of these. They come with it: encryption, calendars, you have billing and support. All these ones actually come on the CPANEL, so it depends on whatever you want to use that hosting for. So this some of the most important things. File manager is actually what we've just looked on. Can see the images, FTP accounts, can even has Git version controls. Yeah, so all these ones come together, and this is also another most used part for databases. If you want to create a database or even create tables, for example phpMyAdmin, open phpMyAdmin, so they say the system will redirect you in a moment. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Unlike XAMPP, you can see that on localhost, for having XAMPP you don't need to go to anything. This is straightforward. So if I go straight to my phpMyAdmin, you can see that almost the interface is the same as this on live servers, and actually most servers use this same way, the way it is, because actually this is like a standard. So these are ones of my databases. Then the rest works the same with just like how the other things work. So I'll go back to my CPANEL. Where's my CPANEL? Oops, I misplaced it. So no, it's here. So first of all, you need to set up a database. So if you want to set up a database, you go to Database Wizard. Here you can create a database, or maybe you can, if you have a already working database, you need to create users for it plus passwords. So the users this time around, they won't be roots, but instead you can see I made passwords and users, and I send them to databases. So that's for database section. Yeah, so you can see domains, site domains. Actually, there's a lot to do with CPANEL. It depends on whatever you want to do, but I just wanted to pass you through this actual thing. You see how it works. In case you're a beginner and you don't know how this works, this is exactly how this CPANEL works. So for most sections, you can see this: metrics, resources manager. So all these different tools have different purposes according to what you want to achieve. So it's nothing fixed to whatever, but CPANEL is rich in tools and managerial resources you can use for whatever thing you want to do on your site. So it's just a perfect way to host. So find a good hosting company out there, and they'll give you access to all of this. And actually, so if you want to install software like maybe WordPress, you're hosting WordPress website, here it has you covered here. So advanced, you have Lightspeed Web Cache. This actually stores some cache data for your site, so that it schedules things to work faster. Even cron jobs are like scheduled tasks. Passwords and security, manage team. You can see WordPress is catered for here. So there's a lot of things out here you can do. Yeah, so there's a lot of things this comes with. You can see the version is CPANEL 122.0.15. yeah, so this is how it comes with, and you can do a lot of things with this. So I just wanted to pass you through. In case you like the video, consider leaving me a subscribe. If you need some more help, I'll leave my email in the description, and probably my WhatsApp, or you want some serious business, because I do a lot. I do web designing professionally and for businesses. I do system development. I do SEO, search engine optimization. So I do a lot of things. So don't hesitate to tell me what you exactly need, and we can see how to get through. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to leave me a like. Don't forget to check out and make sure you click the bell icon right here below, so that you don't miss any single video. So